How to create a clothing store website on Squarespace. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a clothing store website on Squarespace. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Squarespace, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Squarespace, it is a website builder that allows users to create and publish websites in which it integrates web page builder software with blogging, courses, e-commerce, invoicing, user management, domains, and email capabilities. And users can select from a variety of templates and customize them using a drag-and-drop editor with a grid pattern for structure. And each page is composed of sections which are internal building blocks with unique styling options. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the login button on the top right corner or the get started button in here. And all you need to do is simply sign in your account, and after that you will be able to be directed on this page. And now to proceed, kindly click your profile icon on the top right corner and click account dashboard. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here, and just click this create website to proceed. And after that, you'll be able to be directed on this page once again, and it will show you to choose your template in here. But since we're trying to create here a clothing store website, just simply go on the left side panel and click online store and select here fashion. And after that, just simply select here the kind of template that you prefer to edit. For example, I'm going to choose in any of these options this one. So I'm gonna click this Mariana, and after that we could also start selecting the sample color presets in here on the right side panel to choose the color palette that you prefer. And after choosing the color palette, just click this button and you will be directed on this page. And from here you can start editing by clicking this edit button on the top left corner, where we can start entering here, for example, customizing this site title. So now as you can see, I've now successfully changed the title or the name of this website. And below you could also click some other elements in here that you want to customize, or you could also navigate the other view such as on mobile view in here. But as you can see, we have here different kind of option and section that you can choose. We could also customize the design background. For example, we're going to replace this and selecting from this stock images. And then here on the search bar, kindly search, for example, men's fashion. But it depends on your preferences. Now in any of this result, I'm going to click this one and click add image. And after that, you will now be able to see here that the images or the background image has now been successfully changed in here. So that's just easy how you can start editing or customizing in here. Now aside from that, you could also go to this section if you also want to customize the design of it, the page, and many more. But to start adding your products in here on your online store website on clothing, kindly proceed by exiting this page and simply go back to this page, and it will show us on the left side panel the option in here. We have here products and services. By clicking on it, we can start adding a product if we prefer, and choose here physical product. And after that, it will show you in this pop-up window that you can start creating your first product by entering here the name and adding the image in here. For example, under this product name, I'm going to enter shoes men, and under this product image, I'm going to upload file from my library or on my computer files. And now after uploading, the next thing that we need to do in here by clicking the next button is to simply fill out or enter here the price and also the number of stock in here available. For example, for this price, I'm going to enter the amount of this, and you could also navigate here or enter the amount of stock that are available of these shoes that you're selling. And by clicking add more details, from here it will show you that you can add here a description or details about your product. For example, I'm going to enter here limited edition men's shoes, but you could also describe the color of it if you want to. Now moving on, below here you could also add more images and navigate here the inventory section, the fulfillment section, that will show us that we can start editing or customize here the weight, the length, width, height of our products. Well, under this organization section, from here you can add here the tag that describe your product. For example, I'm going to enter shoes, black and white, and also men in here. And below under the setting tools, you could also add a product add-ons and many more. Well, under this marketing, it will show us the URL or SEO in here. Now you could also customize the forms by clicking this create a new form button to proceed, where you can add here a form field such as we want to know the customer's name and also an email address in here. So just click add form field once again, and at this point just click this email option, and after that just click the save button to proceed. And if you're not done, you can now click the apply button on the top panel and also the save button on the top right corner to save the changes that we just customized earlier. And after saving it, you'll now be able to be directed on this page. However, as you can see in here, our products in here is currently hidden or not visible in the online store. But to start customizing this hidden or to make it visible, you simply click these 3 lines or 3 dots in here and click the edit button. And after that, you'll be able to be directed on this page once again, and just proceed by going to this section in here, which is the organization, and make it public. And after that, just click the save button once again on the top right corner, and it will now show you that the product in here is currently visible in our online store or being public. Now moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel the content, membership, scheduling, donation, invoicing, email campaigns, and many more. And aside from that, from here, if you scroll down, you could also connect a payment processor or connect your payment method in here by clicking this option in here. It will show you under the selling that you could also customize to connect your Stripe account, PayPal, or choose this point of sale on Square in here. However, at this point, you could also navigate some other options. But going back to this website section, from here, we can start editing once again all of the section in here, pages, that we can navigate on the right side panel. For example, under these products and services, we could also delete some other products if you want to by clicking the 3 dots and click the delete button option. So after deleting some of this option or product, if you refresh your online store clothing, you'll now be able to see here that the products has been deleted. But we can still add more product in here if you want to by doing the same process again of adding a product earlier. But going back to our website in here and refresh this website to see the effect or the saved changes in here, it will show us some of the effect that has been customized earlier. While on the left side panel in here, we can navigate the invoicing, these email campaigns, automation, contacts, analytics, finance, which might help us in building our online store about clothing in here. And since creating a clothing store on Squarespace is advantageous due to its user-friendly design interface, eliminating the need for coding skills to establish a visually appealing store. And Squarespace also provides customizable templates in here, specifically designed for e-commerce and fashion, allowing for easy creation of a professional-looking store that effectively represent your brand through unique fonts, colors, and design elements in here. Now, as you can see, it is being currently published automatically to our homepage in here. So overall, that is just basically how you can create a clothing store website on Squarespace. Thank you.